In the 17th century for Bukama and Bukamenti. Hence we have the name Bukamenti. Okay? So this will give a certain explanatory meaning as to the reason for the type.
It's like Jurassic Park down here.
What? Yeah, I was Good
Oh yeah. Oh, I see. You can go down there to the creek, across the bridge, or you can go up these steps by the Caribbean pines. Taju, right here. Follow me up.
Yep. Yep.
Here we go.
Yep.
This is the largest waterfall in St. Vincent. It's a drought. We got some small trees here in St. Vincent, as you can see. Manual, yeah. You see how big Manual is compared to that tree. I think it'd take 10 of us to go around that thing.
Probably more.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Real space. Yep, and it like it has potential to get bigger than that.
Buttressed giant. That's nuts how big that tree is. How we doing, Ariana?
Good.
Everybody's taking a little break here. Now you can hear it raining above us, but the trees are catching all the rain.
It's because we're sweating.
Yep. It's crazy how the canopy just catches it all. Oh man. I thought the trees couldn't get any bigger. You weren't kidding, Desmond. This is the granddaddy, huh? Wow. Okay, so Jake and I, we're getting ready to hike over these roots. This root structure of this tree I just filmed, it is massive. As you can see, they cut the... Oh my goodness.
Right here. I'm behind a root. This is a root up above the ground.
Oh my. Crazy big.
Where you sit on there?
This is your territory now.
Where you sabi down there? Where you sabi down there?
Yeah, we thought we lost him down the hill, but he's still alive. There they go. Up the staircase, down the staircase. There we go. We're at the parrot lookout. Everybody's been hoping to see one. We haven't seen one yet. I think Manuel's going to go scare one up for us so we can get a good video of him.
Yeah, when I do so.
Go out there, make his call. He'll come out when you do that, right? A parrot call? You know what? Where'd it go?
You just see one there, no one went through.
Yeah, both of them.
I see them, but they're so far away.
Close, they're far.
They're so far over there.
Behind the other.